This is a highlight video of my stream. You can catch them live on my Twitch channel, link in the description.
I was thinking to make it as a replica of my stickers, but chibier.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So should I make the whole thing smaller or the body smaller? Now that we're going to that
It is
direction.
considered chibi.
I'm very bad at turning figurines into chibi, so I need you. Now? How about now?
You just shrink the body.
Yeah, isn't that what chibi is? Small body, fat, big head.
I think what you should have done is you take you like doing the body like a cone first, right? But I think you
Make
should,
it round.
No. What you should do is you take a ball, a big ball.
That's what I
and
said,
start-
round lah.
And start sculpting the whole thing from that ball itself.
Aiyo. So I make the body fatter, is what you're saying.
Round.
What's the difference?
Because now it's still long, lah.
Fatter. Oh, okay, I get what you mean. Okay, is it chibier?
I think the body needs to be more like a ball than a potato.
This is hard. I don't understand lah. It's like a bloated salamander. I don't understand. It's hard. I don't really know. I don't know.
A few moments later.
Maybe remove the whole body and make it a round sphere first.
Make it a whole sphere, then it just looks like a balloon.
Yeah, that's how chibi
And-
look like.
No, it looks like that.
Yeah, everything looks very chibi.
Doesn't it?
Yeah,
Does this look cute?
I think it looks cute.
Okay, yeah, alright. It does look chibi now. I reluctantly agree. You were right all
Yo,
along.
why you have to fight it? You have to fight it.
Thank you for validating my feeling.
Did I?
No,
Then
but I mean, as in like, you know, give me a hug and all that.
Jimmy the brush.
For those who are new to the channel, I share videos and tutorials here on YouTube, and you can find free high-resolution photo references on my Patreon site. If you like what I do and you want to support me, you can show your love over at Patreon.